Another day on the grind, y'all. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I am here, hello, back at it again with another video. Pay the beeping noises no mind. I know y'all been telling me, yo, you need to get your fire alarms fixed. It's not the fire alarms, it's the AC units. Anyway, today's video, man, I purposely came home to make this video. I was out there doing some Uber Eats for the breakfast rush. I came back home to eat some food, about to go to the gym and train. And y'all already know what else I'm doing, man. Looking at the charts. Now, it's a real good feeling when you learn how to invest. Like when you really put that belief in yourself, because majority of the world is afraid. And I honestly tell you guys that investing into stocks, real estate, it's honestly for everybody. It's just, are you willing to take advantage of the opportunity when it's placed in front of you? And when I tell y'all that you really start to feel better about yourself because you took the time out to actually learn this skill and apply it, that's something that nobody could take away from you, you know? And the reason why that I love, expressing to y'all to invest into stocks is because it is the Matrix cheat code. In some way, shape, or form. You know how you get on semen retention and NoFap and you feel like, bruh, like this is it. You feel me? I got a whole bunch of life force energy. I done figured it out. It's the same thing with the stock market. You learning about your financial like awareness, your investor within. You're learning how they get people to be emotionally attached to an outcome that they don't want. So the reason why majority of people are afraid to invest into stocks is because they are afraid of losing money. And then we constantly hear the word hard-earned money. You see, this Matrix that likes to use a lot of words to get you to have this certain reality created for yourself. But if you learn to switch the words that you tell yourself and you learn to have self-control, have self-discipline, you're learning that investing is a positive, easy way to make money. And that's why the people that invest, they learn how money truly works. Now I'm gonna show y'all the charts. I'm gonna show you guys today how the portfolio has been doing. And it made me hype because I reached another milestone. And sometimes like you really need to be proud of yourself in any financial goals that you reach for yourself. After haters, don't worry about somebody not being happy for you or hating or whatever the case may be. A hater is just a person that doesn't see their power within themselves enough to take the chance to bet on themselves. And then you got people that actually reach certain milestones that they set out for themselves long ago. And there's nothing wrong with rooting for yourself and being happy for yourself. Because what you're supposed to do, reach a goal and then be upset? What the heck? Absolutely not. You're supposed to be like, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Because you got that level of belief and faith in the unknown. I told y'all in the video that I made yesterday, just because you can't see something right now doesn't mean that it's not manifesting. Now, I want to tell y'all this. You have to stay consistent. You have to stay committed. You have to stay true. And it's about your psychology. If you are fearful going into the markets, you are going to be a person that is fearful to make money. If you're confident going into the markets and you know that I have no control over the stock market, but I know that it's going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to fluctuate, it's going to consolidate, but I know that I'm all in, then you're going to reap the benefits, bro. Alright? I also, too, listen, man, I don't got no type of courses to sell y'all. I tell y'all all the time, honestly, y'all could learn this yourself. Sit down and look at a chart and take action. You see a certain price that you like, you see a company that you want to invest into, a business, put in the work. Take action. Because the stock market is going to move on with or without you. Alright? So let me show you the charts, show you a couple of the companies, and like, comment, and subscribe. Alright? I just had to make this video, bro. Let's go, bro. I feel good. So y'all already know one of my favorite companies in my portfolio is Big Dog Amazon. And this is the chart for today, as y'all can see. Alright, Amazon is up $1.02. So for some people that might be a little bit, right? Amazon is only up $1 on the day. But you know that if you own shares in a company, you know that $1 is just not $1. Alright? I'm not even going for it. Apple is up on the day, $2.22. Apple has been taking a very, very great pullback for those that don't know. And honestly speaking, I look at it as opportunity for everybody. You cannot be fearful when everybody else is fearful. What you need to do is do the opposite. When people are fearful, you need to be one of those that's like, let's go. More discounted prices. Because these prices is not going to be like this forever. I just want y'all to know. Alright? One of my favorite real estate companies in my portfolio, Realty Income. Realty Income is at $52 right now. If you could own real estate in the stock market for $52, would you do it? And they're going to pay you every month to hold their stock. So now this is why I tell you guys, like, this is why I remind myself, bro, think bigger and want more for yourself. Because the money is there. You just can't have this scarcity mindset thinking that, oh my God, it's not enough out there for me. It's enough out there for everybody. If you're willing to apply yourself and you're willing to stay consistent and stay committed, you can honestly get great returns in the stock market. All right, y'all see Tesla. Tesla's taking a pump. My goodness, y'all see that? Do y'all see that? My gosh. Let's go, Tesla. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla has been taking a hit this year. But me, I own Tesla. I own Tesla stock. I'm almost at 1 share. And I'm holding for the long term. So I look at Tesla as, like, I look at the car and I be like, yo, my gosh, like, that car is amazing. So I look at the company, and y'all gotta understand that Tesla just doesn't only make cars. Like, they're not just a car company, okay? This is a discounted price, in my opinion. That's just my personal opinion. If you get in at a lower price, that's better for you. But if you're gonna be a person that's fearful to get in on a company like Tesla, or even a company like Target, Target is at 170. All these companies are cheap. If you're fearful, then you're not gonna reap the benefits. But if you are a person that sees opportunity and takes it, you're gonna reap the benefits. Alright? All of these companies are cheap, in my opinion. The prices, price-wise, they're cheap. Alright? The SPY, S&P 500, top 500 companies, businesses in the U.S. stock market. It's pricing at 516. 516 right now. Alright, I want to show y'all the year to date right quick too. Right quick. Just so that y'all can see the power of the markets. So, year to date, this is how the markets has been doing, bro. And this is why I be telling y'all, just buy and hold. Y'all don't have to sell so early. Y'all don't gotta get fearful when there's a red day in the market. All you gotta do is buy and hold, bro. Let's just say you one of these people, right? Markets made a rally to 433.30. Well, was down to 433.30. It rallied down to 410. Imagine you sold off right here. Right? Imagine you sold off right there. And you know that you're going to be mad at yourself because you missed out on all of this profit. So what they get you with the psychology part is, oh my God, we're going to make the markets is going to go down. It's going to be discounted prices. But we know that people live in fear. Some people, not all. We know that people live in fear. And one thing that they are afraid to lose is money. So, and nobody wants to lose money, of course. So they get you. You see price go down. You think price is about to go down even lower. Reverse. Now the market is rallying up. So let's just say, for those people that's like, oh, but the market's got to go back down. Well, guess what? We already been through it. We already been through all of this. So all we're going to see is, all right, that's better opportunity for us that are already investing. And when markets make a reversal and they rally back up, that's just what it's going to do. Nobody has control over the stock market. It's about how you're going to view your investments and how you're going to view opportunity. All right? So right now, you're missing out on all of this opportunity. You can't go back in time. But what you can do is focus on the present and put in the work in the now. You know? Same thing with a company like Amazon. Oh my gosh, I get in on Amazon. Amazon dips to 119. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Rally up. Rally up. Rally up. It's a psychology game, man. You cannot be scared to purchase assets at a discounted price. If you go to the store and you purchase something at a discounted price, you not getting no return on that investment. You just purchased it at a cheaper price, but you still spent money. In the stock market, you see something at a cheaper price, you get scared. What the heck? Why? As long as it's not going to a penny, as long as you're not investing to no whack penny stocks, look, bro, it's just opportunity. People that held on to Nvidia, $397. Nvidia rallied 940. Like, come on, y'all. All right, I'm here to just show y'all what's possible for anybody and everybody, bro. If you just put your mind to it and you believe in yourself, you could do it. Study the financials of the company. Make sure the company is profitable. You know, things of that nature. Always pay attention to when they have earnings. I'll show y'all right here. Amazon, for example, their next earnings is in 48 days. All right. Be there for the earnings. See how the companies do for the earnings. Buy and hold. Buy and hold. Look, bro, it's money, man. It's money. It's money for everybody, bro. In 1 year, you would have made 90%. Please let me know if your job is paying you 90%. I'll wait. I'll wait.